Hi everyone, Sean here with Logos, and I want to show you how you can learn more from us to get the most out of Logos for your study. So here I am, logged into my Logos premium account on the web app at app.logos.com. So let's first make sure you're getting our email invitations to all of our free trainings. So on the main toolbar on the left-hand side, all the way down at the bottom, find your profile icon right here. And when you click on your profile icon, you will have the option to select profile. And when you do that, that's going to take you to your profile page. That profile page should look something like this, okay? And then on the left, notice where email lists are right here. This is where you can go to set your preferences for your email lists. When you select that, it will take you to a page that looks something like this. And here's where you can set your email notifications so that you get those emails that you want. Notice, first of all, you want to make sure you've got this checkbox here selected. I'd like to receive email from Logos. And then the other one that you want to make sure you have selected is the Learn Logos one right here. Select that as well. And then when you submit that, that's going to sign you up for the email invitations for my team's trainings. Also, keep in mind that you can actually find the trainings that you want to view for yourself on our trainings page. So to get there, come over here to the toolbar on the left-hand side and all the way down here to the Help Center. Find that Help Center option on the left. It's always right here. Click on that. And then you're going to have the videos and webinar button. This will take you right to my team's page so you can learn more. Now, let me give you a little bit of help on how to navigate this page when you get there. First, notice we've got this upcoming section. This is going to be all of our live trainings that you can either view live, or if you register and can't make it, you'll get the recordings. But notice this view more option right here. Okay, don't miss that, because when you select that, you're going to have a whole lot more webinars to choose from. Now, when you scroll down, don't miss this little arrow right here. It's subtle, but it's going to give you even more trainings to choose from. So don't miss it, okay? Now, we even have a Get Started section. That's going to be webinars that are more for beginners, but they're available to all, of course. And then the On-Demand section right here, this is recent recordings, and they're always available right here. Notice we've got a view more option for them as well. And then when you scroll down, don't miss that arrow to find more, okay? So just a few tips to make sure when you get here, you're able to find what you're looking for. So make sure you're getting our emails and make sure you can find our training page. And that's how you can learn more from us. Well, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.